Okay, this is how it works. So the key is here, and this can slide here. Is this piece. So it's here. Yeah, like that. It's here. This pusher out, and it's yellow piece. You can maybe see a black piece under there. So it won't get. Yeah, stop it from doing that. So you take out you take out the key, and on the next level, let me just put some bits together. Yeah, here's on the next. It's just a original door here. Take that, and this push in here, and it's take up this, and you can slide it. Next key, simple. And you can't do it with this, because you know. This here, I think. Push it like that. On the last level, it looks like this. So, this goes right in here. The black piece here is because only this piece could push it, and for stopping it to go all the way in. So when you push in your key, nothing will happen because block it. So you're sliding it out, and you see this is too far for this. Won't happen anything. So you need this key. Push. This white piece here is for because the hole is here, and so this won't go all the way in, so won't go too far in. Yeah. So easy technique. I think you may think that's impossible. Yeah, but